got a package in the
Oh boy, it's here.
What is it? Is it the new Pocket Rain Shadow Legend?
Now it ain't your kid's game. Johnny Depp. This right here's a pair of 7D goggles. And I am gonna use them so hard that my eyes will fall out of my face.
Jeez, wait a minute. Since when is there a 7D?
John, you fool. Don't question the technology gifted to us by the almighty President Kermit da Frog.
Okay, whatever. Just chill out, Garfielf.
Not a chance for John the Tail. Now then, time to discover the secrets of the universe.
What's the matter, Garberlini?
John, I've just discovered that a reality is just part of an infinite number of stupid tour videos, and that a reality may never come back into existence after this moment. So if there's anything you'd like to say, you'd better say it now.
Garfield, I just want you to know that no matter what, I really do care about you. Do you want to say something now?